Ladies and gentlemen, today we are joined by special guest who has traveled to volunteer at our hospital and the university. He is someone who chooses to spend his time, skill and energy serving our community. Not for recognition, but out of genuine commitment to helping others. We are excited to learn about his journey, his experiences here, and what inspired him to come Ethiopia. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Stan. Dr. Stan, thank you for your time. Could you please introduce yourself? Where you born, grew up?
Thank you, Aldi. My name is Stan Drummen. I'm originally from the Netherlands, where I studied and worked as a physiotherapist. And then I moved to Australia, where I recently finished my PhD in medical research.
Good. How did you decide to come to Ethiopia and the Jimma University?
One of my mentors in Australia was Nizam Abdu, who is Dr. Nizam Abdu, who is originally from Jimma. And when we were talking about Ethiopia, and I had some time to travel after my PhD, I said I would be very excited to come here and get to know the culture, but also, engage with people and also help out. So we both got very enthusiastic about that idea, and that's how it started.
Wow, great. You spent 3 weeks in Ethiopia. How would you describe your experiences here in Jimma and the Jimma University?
It's been great. I got a lot of support from seniors at the university. I've been supervising and teaching students. I've seen patients who had just come out of surgery or from a vascular incident, for example, and patients who needed long-term management. And I was impressed by how motivated and skilled the students were. It was great.
Oh, great. During your time here, what have you discovered about Ethiopia's history that you can share with us?
Great question. I already knew that Ethiopia was the only country that was never colonized in Africa, with Haile Selassie as well. That's famous, of course. I didn't know yet that you have your own calendar and your own time, which I find fascinating, and that's also that authenticity that you have. And I didn't know that coffee is from here originally, which I feel like I should have known.
Coffee, but the place is Jimma.
Yeah,
that's great. Have you had the chance to learn any local words like Afan Oromo and Amharic?
Yes. Tips, Galatumi, Gifty, like your beautiful daughter.
Thank you.
Which means queen.
Akam jirta.
Akam jirta.
And Nagake Sani.
Nagage Sani.
In the future, how do you see your collaboration with Jimma University and Ethiopia?
Yeah, we will continue this collaboration. I'll be giving lectures online. Also do my best to supply educational material where needed. And we will build research collaborations as well.
Good. What do you think about the future of Ethiopia?
I can see that you have a very young, strong and motivated population. I can see you also have a very strong sense of culture, and you're on the same line through your cultural and religious background. Like for example, that you almost don't see anyone smoke, which is taboo, and is something we would love to see in Western countries. You also call each other brother and sister, and you put your arm around someone who you've only just met, and I think those things make you very strong from a community perspective. Of course, there are some challenges, but I think under Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, so much is being built. I think the Green Legacy project is fantastic, with billions of trees being planted every year. That's really world-class leadership. So I think despite challenges, Ethiopia will have a bright future and is a great example for other African countries.
Wow, that's great. What is your own experiences or cultural shock you observed?
It's there are often many people on the street, and because I look very different, they will all look at me and often say things, and that was a bit overwhelming in the beginning, but I got used to it.
Oh, good.
Only in a nice way, of course.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Finally, how do you rate the hospitality at Jimma by local people and hotels?
Great question. I rate it at 10 out of 10. It pushed up the maximum for me of how good hospitality can be. I think people have been super kind to me. Maybe it's because I met the best people, but I've never felt alone. I immediately felt at home, so I'm very grateful for that, and I want to learn that from the Ethiopian culture as well, that great hospitality. So thank you very much for that. That was great.
Thank you very much, Dr. Stan, for your time.